Welcome back into 13 News This Morning. We're back with our favorite cook, Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. And today we are making Chipotle corn casserole. Charlene, how do we make this?
It's a special recipe from the Soy Foods Council.
Okay.
And we're starting out with some soft tofu. And I've just used a whisk and just made it nice and creamy.
So you're just softening it up and
Yes.
then mixing it around till
And
it
then,
softens. Okay.
yes, and that's going to add a lot of richness to our recipe. Now, this is actually the Chipotle, and we'll add that in. And gosh, if you like it spicy, then go ahead and add a little bit more. You can,
I was going to say,
Just
it's
a little
clearing
bit
my
of a kick.
sinuses. It smells
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
And now you are going to add the cream corn, and you are going to add the regular corn. We'll
I
just
love
get that.
both, but I got to tell you, I am such a cream corn fan, and actually haven't had it in a while, so now it's making me want to have it.
It's definitely a staple at Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
And you know, I think one of the notes with this recipe is keep this for a holiday recipe.
Okay.
Because it serves 12 people.
Oh, that's good.
And it's a nice rich recipe. So now you're going to add 2 eggs,
Okay.
and you have a half a cup of our soy milk. And that's plain soy milk that we're adding. I'll just keep stirring. You guys are doing great.
Plain, so we're not wanting, like, sweetened, unsweetened?
Right, not sweet.
vanilla?
Yeah,
Okay.
just
All right,
use
just the
regular.
Okay.
Now you're going to add our margarine, and
Okay.
that's 1/4 of a cup that I've melted, and of course that's another soy ingredient.
Yes.
And here you have 2 tablespoons of sugar
Oh,
that
sugar.
you're
Okay.
adding.
Oh, yes.
Little
yes.
sweetener.
You
Up,
know
yes.
it's going to be good when there's sugar.
Uh-huh.
And then you're going to add, that is a small package of corn muffin mix.
Oh, yeah.
And we'll just add that
Okay.
into that. And you're going to add one of our cheeses.
Keep stirring, Charlene.
All right, keep stirring. That's right. It calls for 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese.
Okay.
And we're just going to use half of it now.
Okay.
And then the other half we'll put on at the top. There we go. This is all there is to it. This was
It
easy to
looks-
make, wasn't it?
That's very
Yeah.
easy.
Put it in a 9 by 13 baking dish.
Okay.
There we go here. Bake it for about 50 minutes at 350 degrees.
Okay.
And then when and did we say right before it goes in the oven, we're going to sprinkle it with the rest of the grated cheddar
Oh.
cheese.
Cheese.
So it has that nice cheese layer.
Oh, it
And then
does.
we sprinkled it with a little green onions to serve
like it.
And then, like I said, it serves 12 people, so it makes a great warm dish to have on a cold day.
Oh,
This
it
makes
looks
us feel
amazing.
very professional. We're professional cooks over here.
Yes,
Now,
You and I are great at cooking for
yes,
Charlene's here.
we're so good. Now, Charlene, where can we get more recipes if we're having a party? Maybe Valentine's Day is coming up, Easter. Where can we get more of these recipes?
We can go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN. And we're going to be doing the paella next, so yes.
We're excited. Thank you so much, Charlene.
Thank you.
And we're back after the break.